Welcome back. So far we have filtered rows with simple conditions and, or, in, and, like. Now let's see how to filter by range and limit number of rows we get back. Let's see how to filter by range and limit the number of rows. Suppose we want films with length between 120 and 200 minutes. I will just copy paste the command here. So it says select title as film name, release year, length, rating from film. That is, we are selecting these columns from our film table, and the condition is length between 120 and 200. So it should return all the films where the length is between 120 to 200. So let's run it. All of these films has a length of this duration. Okay, so in our previous video we learned how we use equal operator, like the first name was equal Jamie, something like that. But what if we want to filter our data that says get the first name and last name again? I'll just copy paste the command here. This says that select first name last name from customer where first name like N. So it should return all the customer names that starts with these 3 characters. And now we'll add more condition by saying that the last name is not Hill. We can do this by using the not equal operator. So the not equal can be written as this or this. You can use any of them. So I'm going to stick with this one and provide the last name Hill. This should return these 4 results, not the first one. Sorry, I forgot to add the and. Now we can see that we no longer see the last name Hills. Sometimes we don't want all results, so we can actually limit the number of rows we want to see. So let's say we want to see only the first 5 records from our customer table. We can do that by using, let's say, select first name last name from customer, limit, and now we are going to specify the number of columns we want to see. So this should only show us the first 5 columns from the customer database. These are the first 5. Now what if we want to see the first 5 rows from the 4th one? Let's say from this Linda Williams, and then 5 from this Linda Williams. We can do that by using offset. So let's say limit 5 offset 3. It will just escape these first 3 names and then show 5 names after these 3 names. Yeah, we can see that here. It started from the Linda Williams, that is from the 4th one. Let's see how to get the first film by title. We can do this by using limit and face. So first let's use the limit. As we are going to get the first film by title, we need to sort the film table using the title column. So let's do select title from film, and we are going to do an order by to sort our film table, order by title. And as we are going to sort the name alphabetically, so let's get the titles first. Now we get the ordered film titles, but we would only like to see the first row only, that is Academy Dinosaur. So we can do that by either using limit or face. So let's use limit. As we are going to see the first row only, so we'll write 1 and it should give us the first row. Now if we want, we can also use face. Let's say instead of the first row, we want to see the first 5 rows. This should give us the first 5 film names here. And by using the offset, you can also get the next 5, that is from number 6. So let's do it. It should skip these 5 field names, and we can see that the previous name aren't here. So now you know how to filter by range, use not equal operators, control result size with limit, offset and face. In the next video, we will cover null values, how to check if data is missing or not. So make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.